Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create bootable pendrive for Windows 11. There are two ways you can do that. I will show you one by one. Start with method number 1, using Microsoft Media Creation tool. First you need to set up USB drive at least 8 GB storage. Then after you need to go to your browser, type create Windows 11 media tool and hit enter. You need to go to second option, download Windows 11. Okay, there are 3 download options here. You need to choose the second one, create Windows 11 installation media. Tap on download now. It will download a small file around 10 megabytes. You can see it is downloading right now. Wait for the download complete. Okay, now it is downloaded. You can double tap on that app. Tap on yes in the pop-up menu. Okay, it will take small time according to your internet connection speed. You need to plug your USB drive before the proceed. Once you see this window, just tap on accept and wait for the next step. Okay, in here you need to select your language and edition. It is Windows 11 and English United Kingdom, and tap on use the recommended option for this PC. Then tap on next, and in here you can create two options. Either you can create USB flash drive for install the Windows, or you can create ISO file for further purposes. So in this video I am going to create USB flash drive, so make sure to tick this one and tap on next. And you can see this is my USB drive that is plugged into my computer. If you can't see your USB drive in here, you need to just tap on refresh drive list. So select your USB drive and tap on next. Now you can see the downloading and installing process is started. Now it is on 0%. It will go to all the way to 100%. Then you can create your USB drive with Windows 11 installation. Then you can use that pen drive for install the Windows on your computer. So this is how you can create Windows 11 using media tool. The second method is use the Rufus. To do that, again you need to go to your browser. Once it is opened, you need to type Rufus download and hit enter. You need to choose the first option. Now you need to scroll down and come to the download section, and in this case you need to choose the standard version with 64-bit. It is around 1.6 megabytes. Just tap on it and it will be start to download. You can see it takes small few seconds. Once it is completed, you need to open that one. It is like this one, small software. Now you need to select your USB drive. Make sure to plug your USB drive before the software is opened. You can see it is already selected, and then after you need to select your ISO file. In this case you need to ISO file to install. To get the ISO file, you need to again go to your browser and type Windows 11 creation tool and hit enter, and again go to download Windows 11 website, official Microsoft, and scroll down. In this case you not need to choose the create Windows 11 media. You need to choose download Windows 11 disk image option and tap on select download, and it is only one option. Just tap on that. Then after you can tap on download now. If you have ARM based computer, you can tap on here. Then it has a ARM download version also, so you can download it from here also. But in this case I am going to download x64 version. Minimize this one. Just tap on download now. It will take small time to verify your result, and you need to select the product language. Tap on this one, choose the English or your language. I am going to choose English United States. Tap on confirm. It is okay. Now it is shows 64-bit download. Just tap on it. Now you can see it is started download. It is around 5.4 gigabytes. So wait for the download completed. Alright, now it is downloaded. You need to select that file from here. Just tap on select option and choose the ISO file from your downloaded option. Just tap on open and it is scanning image. Okay, before proceed, you need to check your partition scheme. It is set as GPT, but you need to confirm your partition scheme. To do that, right click on the start menu, go to disk management. In here choose your disk you are going to install. In my case disk 1, I need to install the Windows. Go to properties, right click on it, go to volumes, make sure the partition style is, in my case it is GPT. Cancel this, select the GPT, and finally you can tap on start and you can see the file system and tap on start and it will ask this kind of menu. If your computer is not supported Windows 11, like you have TPM2 below TPM 2.0 version, you need to make sure to tick this one, because this will remove the Windows 11 install requirements. So then after you can tap on OK. Now it is start install. Just tap on OK in this warning message. Once this one is completed, you can create your Windows 11 bootable pendrive and you can install the Windows using that. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you think this one is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.